Hey, Legacy Flat Roof and Sheet Metal. We're here today in Komoka, Ontario. We're doing a flat roof system right above us. A new build. We'll show you what it looks like. Thanks a lot. This is a pretty unique house. We have a brand new build. So we got a flat roof at the top. We also have a walkout Duradek system. We'll show you guys what that looks like. That's going to be out of a bedroom out of that door. Okay, come on. Okay, so this will be the walkout door from the living space into the dirt. So this is going to be a walkout balcony system. We're going to create a Duradek roof here. We're going to have a hidden trough system here where it catches the water. So that's the plan for this roof area. I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, welcome back. We've come back on the roof. Go ahead and take a look. This is the new roof from up top. You saw what the Duradek system roof is down below. It's pretty straightforward. We're going to put a 2-ply system on here. We have perimeter parapet flashings. I'll show you what the trough system is. It's a unique system here. So they're going to do a hidden trough so you will not see how the water leaves the roof from the outside. We have a trough system here, so we have to waterproof, and the homeowner has built a manufactured trough system out of steel. So that's how that's going to go. We're going to waterproof it. Okay, welcome back. So we finished close to 80% of the field base sheet. Go ahead and take a look. So it was a wooden deck. All the insulation in a residential roof, in this case, is going to be from underneath the deck. So we are priming, you see the red, the primer, peel and stick base sheet. I'll show you how the trough ended up. Again, this is simply the base sheet. We have a cap sheet to go after that. So here, I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but it is a valley. So we're going to have a trough system here. And the client is going to manufacture a steel trough that's going to go in here. So this is a base sheet. Water really should never get in here because it's going to go from the cap sheet, shingle fashion, into the trough and a downspout, so you won't have a eavesdrop on the outside. So there we go. We're in the base sheet. It's a peel and stick system. We have flashing membranes to do after that. So our flashing, we want to bring our flashing 4 inches onto the field and then at least 2 inches. So we want to envelope the exterior parapet so water will never have any access into the inside wall. So there we go. Okay, welcome back. Legacy Flat Roof and Sheet Metal. We finished the installation of the base sheet. Go ahead and take a look. There we go. About 400 square feet of a peel and stick system. Somebody else, the framers, did all the new framing. We did the peel and stick base sheet. We got the eavesdrop down in the front. You saw that earlier in the video. Now we're going to install a peel and stick cap sheet. We're going to come back. We're going to see what that trough looks like and how to install that. We'll show you guys. Somebody else is welding the trough, and we got to watertight it. So we'll show you what it looks like with the new peel and stick cap sheet. Thanks, Rob. Legacy Flat Roof and Sheet Metal. We just finished a job about 40 squares in Komoka, a brand new build. Go ahead and take a look. This was a wood structure home. We put a 2-ply peel and stick mod bit system on it. So we went straight to the deck. The framers came in, did all the decking for us. You saw that earlier. Come take a look. We had that eavesdrop put in. So the homeowner fabricated this eavesdrop through another company. They came in and installed it, and we waterproofed it. So again, that's just a way of a design feature, so you don't see an eavesdrop and downspout on the outside of the house. It's a unique situation. We installed it, waterproofed it, and away we go. Legacy Flat Roof and Sheet Metal. Hope you liked it. Hope you learned something. If you're in the southwestern Ontario area, we'd love to hear from you. You can find us online at legacyroofs.com. Thanks so much.